So TikTok has announced that they have partnered with Amazon, which is huge because no one expected it to happen. As you can see here, TikTok establishes a new deal with Amazon to facilitate in-app purchases. This new integration with Amazon will enable TikTok users to make Amazon purchase in-stream without having to tap through to the Amazon app or website. So what this means is that TikTok users will be able to purchase Amazon products without having to leave the TikTok app. And let's look into more details in this news article. So Amazon's new partnership with TikTok will facilitate a more direct integration between the two apps. And this is from TikTok. Users can now seamlessly discover and purchase their favorite products from Amazon directly within the TikTok app. This shopping experience is powered by Amazon through ads placed on TikTok and allows users to complete product purchases with Amazon in TikTok's native environment. So that means that when a TikTok users see Amazon product recommendations in their For You feed, they'll be able to make a purchase then and there, which is facilitated by linking your TikTok profile to your Amazon account through a secure, quick, and easy one-time setup. And once your accounts are linked, Amazon customers will be able to complete a checkout with Amazon in the product ad without leaving the TikTok app, enabling a faster, more frictionless experience. In addition, if you do connect your Amazon account, you'll be shown real-time pricing, Prime eligibility, and delivery estimates all within the TikTok listings. So this is about TikTok providing their users more convenience and a more integrated shopping experience within the app, no matter if you're shopping for TikTok affiliated products or products on Amazon. So I think overall this is a pretty cool news because no one really saw it coming, and some people may still have concern about TikTok Shop possibly getting banned in the US, so they won't be around for long. But I personally think that won't be the case. I don't think TikTok is going anywhere. So overall, I think this is really good news. And if you have any thoughts on this, comment below and let me know, and subscribe to see more TikTok and TikTok Shop updates. And hope to see you in the next one.